shop is huge!
Right, let's find the mixers.
Peppa and her family are doing some shopping at a very big store.
Hello!
Hello, how can I help you today?
Oh, I'm just... Hey, who's talking?
Fridge door is open. Fridge door is open.
A talking fridge! Ooh, what's your name, Mrs. Fridge?
I don't have one yet. Why don't you choose it?
Okay, I'm going to call you...
Okay, my name is... Very nice to meet you.
Hi, Oink. I'm Peppa Pig. What else can you do, Oink?
Peppa is having lots of fun in the shop, and she's not the only one.
How about this one?
You see, George, the trick is you've got to keep the candy floss twirling.
Not so close, George.
What a sweet hairstyle, George.
Lights on, lights off. How can I help? Not me.
It's coming from over there.
Peppa's having lots of fun with her new fridgy friend.
Play music. Oink, lights on, lights off.
There you are, Peppa. What have you found?
Hello, my name is...
And she's the most amazing fridgy friend ever. Watch this. Oink, can I have a drink?
What's the magic word?
Oops, sorry, Oink. Can I have a drink, please?
Ooh.
Ha! Oink, please do the dishes.
Incredible!
Oink, please wash the clothes.
Impressive!
Oink! Dinosaur! Please! Woohoo!
Amazing, huh? This fridge does it all. Perfect for a busy home.
Well, our fridge is a bit old.
How much is it, Miss Rabbit? I think we'll just stick with the fridge we have at home.
Aww.
It is better to and lose than to never at all.
Maybe we should just get that mixer we came for. Ours had a little accident, Miss Rabbit. Uh-oh!
I've got just the thing.
Can I have some juice, please, fridge? Our fridge can't do anything, Mummy.
I know, but we do have a fancy new mixer to try.
Hello, please select my name.
Peppa loved her fridgy friend,
My name is...
Oink! Yay!
Nice to meet you.
and she really loves her new mixer.
Delivery for Mummy Pig.
Today, Mummy Pig has received a package.
Oh, thank you, Miss Rabbit. I know exactly what that is. Peppa and George are going to love this.
Mummy Pig has ordered an ice lolly maker, and
It looks like a penguin.
I thought we'd use all the fruit from Grandpa Pig's garden to make very healthy, very tasty ice lollies.
Hooray! Yum! Yum! Hello, Mr. Penguin. How do you work?
Oh, I remember. I had one when I was your age. All we do is... we just...
Mummy Pig does not remember how the ice lolly penguin works.
Perhaps we better look at the instructions.
Oh, yes, we need ice for ice lollies. The ice goes here and we turn this handle.
It sounds crunchy.
Phew, now we lift up the wing.
Oh, the ice is all mushy.
Now we add the fruit. Raspberries, my favorite.
Next, we pour the raspberry ice mix into these moulds.
George has the lolly sticks. We use these to make the handles.
Good job, George.
And now we just need to wait for them to freeze.
Let's make more lollies while we wait. Yay!
Blueberries, my other favourite.
I'd like kiwi, please.
And banana.
Peppa and her family spend the day making lots of fruity ice lollies and having lots of fun doing it. But eventually...
Oh no! There's no more fruit. What are we going to do?
Knock, knock. Don't suppose you need lots more fruit from my garden for any healthy, tasty reason, do you?
Oh.
Yay! More lollies!
I'm afraid we can't make any more ice lollies, you two.
Why not?
Because we have to make space in the freezer by eating these first.
Peppa loves making ice lollies, especially very tasty, fruity ones.
I think you're on mute. We can't hear you.
Today, Mummy Pig is on a video call.
Ah, well, let's circle back later. In the meantime... Sorry. Just going to mute myself for a moment, everyone.
Hello, Mummy. We're bored. Can you play with us? Yay!
I'm a bit busy, I'm afraid. I'm on a video call.
Ooh, we want to do a video call.
Why don't you ask Daddy Pig to set one up for you?
Come on, George.
Daddy Pig has set up a video call with Granny Pig and Grandpa Pig.
Hello, Peppa. And hello, George.
I want to be on screen, George. Yay!
George, can you hear us? Where's Peppa?
I'm here.
Peppa has joined the call from Daddy Pig's tablet.
Let's circle back, Granny and Grandpa.
Circle back? What does that mean?
Must be one of these circle buttons. Oh, this isn't right.
Grandpa Pig has turned on a filter.
You're a robot. And George is a snowman. And I'm a spaghetti monster. Blob, 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 blob.
There are lots of silly filters to choose from.
That's better. Where are you off to, Peppa?
Now there are two Peppas on the video call.
It's making a bit of an echo, Peppa.
Let's call Mummy.
You're on mute.
Oop.
Even I know that one.
Sorry, everyone. Where's Daddy?
I'm here.
Dinosaur.
Now everyone is on the video call and everyone is a dinosaur.
Dinner's ready, everyone. So time to hang up.
Bye, Granny and Grandpa.
Bye-bye. Speak soon. Oh,
Bye.
Maybe that's enough screens for today.
We'll circle back later. Hello.
Peppa and her family are ordering lunch at a sandwich shop.
Peppa, we don't order at the counter in this sandwich shop. We order at the special screens.
Oh, sorry.
Why don't you have a go at ordering a sandwich, Peppa?
Ooh.
You can select different toppings for your baguette by pressing the pictures.
I'm very hungry. I want a really big, long baguette, please. Lettuce, tomato, and lot of cheese.
Peppa is adding lots of cheese and her sandwich is getting bigger and bigger.
I know you're hungry, Peppa.
But that might be a bit too much cheese.
Oh, okay.
Now press the send button so the chef can make your order.
The chefs have received Peppa's order from the machine and are hard at work making it.
It looks so yummy and cheesy.
Now it's George's turn to pick his sandwich.
Look, that children's meal comes with a special surprise.
George can't wait for his special surprise. Now it's Mummy Pig's turn to order.
I'll just have my usual. Tomato and mushroom with 6 pickled onions, 2 cheese slices, olives, no cucumber, half a red pepper and a sprinkle of chilli sauce and a whole wheat poppy seed baguette.
Did you say cucumber?
No, George, no! Uh-oh.
George, no!
I suppose it's always good to try new things?
Peppa and George are enjoying their lunch while they wait for Mummy's extra special sandwich.
It's very cheesy. Dinosaur! Surprise!
Mummy Pig's sandwich is being made. It's a bit bigger than she expected.
It's ready, Mummy.
Oh, how, big?
Oh!
I don't think I can eat all this on my own. Would you like some?
Oh, it's a bit spicy.
But very tasty. I might have a new favourite.
Everyone loves their sandwiches, even if they aren't exactly what they meant to order.
Dinosaur!
Today, Mummy Pig has brought Peppa and George for a special visit to the toy shop.
Hello, I'm looking for a mummy and 2 little ones for a special toy shop treat. Have you seen them?
That's us!
Is it? Well, what are you waiting for? Let's go!
Hooray! Oh!
This is where you're able to create your very own special toy.
Ooh!
Just swipe through to choose. You could pick a robot or a princess or a silly monster or a...
Dinosaur!
I didn't know you liked dinosaurs.
Dinosaur! 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 George loves dinosaurs. They're his favourite.
I guess we know what he'll be making. Have fun!
Yay!
Ooh, good choice. Lovely.
A spaceman! A monster! A superhero!
Peppa and George love making their own toys. They both like very different things.
Mine is a robot. Dinosaur! Rawr!
Fantastic! Now with a little toy shop magic, the machine will make your toys.
Lovely. Now you just need to pick an outfit for your toys.
There are lots of different outfits to choose from, but Peppa and George think these outfits are perfect for their new toys.
Hooray!
Perfect! In they go!
Oh dear, the toy machine has put the wrong clothes on the toys.
The machine mixed up their clothes, Miss Rabbit.
Oh, yes. Oh, well, they still look like fun toys to me.
And very creative.
Flying is fun. Whee!
Wait for us, Peppa.
Whee! Wow! What is this room?
This is a special new toy machine.
Whoa.
Just stand here in the middle, Peppa.
What is it doing?
Stay still.
What was that?
Ta-da!
The machine has made a little toy that looks just like Peppa.
Look, George, I'm tiny. And so are you.
Peppa and George love making toys in the toy shop, but George really loves being a toy too. Today, Peppa and her friends are going to the sweet shop.
Hello, Miss Rabbit. I'd like to buy everything in the sweet shop, please. Here is my coin.
Peppa and her friends each have 1 coin to buy a sweet with.
Here is my coin too. And mine. And mine.
Wow, what a lot of money. But I'm afraid it's not enough to buy everything in the shop.
Oh, yes.
1 coin is perfect for trying my new sweet-making machines, though. Just choose a machine, pop your coin in the slot and push the big red button.
Strawberry laces. Nay, but strawberries are fruits, not sweets.
My sweets are made with delicious real fruit. Much tastier and much healthier.
Yummy strawberries. They look like hair. You're right. I've got a strawberry ponytail. My turn.
Emily Elephant has found a rainbow lollipop machine.
For this machine, you have to push the buttons to choose your favourite fruity flavours.
Yellow banana. Ooh, you love red apples. And pink raspberries. And blue blueberries. And green apples.
You like all the flavours.
So fruity. Look, it's a big spinning ball.
That's a candy floss machine. Why don't you pop your coin in and give it a go?
Ooh, it tastes like coconuts. It looks just like you, Susie.
And now it looks even more like you.
What is that?
Only one way to find out.
But I thought this was a sweetie machine, not a money machine. Can I use this to buy some real sweeties?
You don't need to. That coin is a sweetie, Peppa. It's a chocolate coin.
Chocolate! Hooray!
Peppa loves a sweet treat from the sweet shop. Everyone loves a sweet treat from the sweet shop. Today, Peppa and her classmates are visiting a chocolate factory.
Can I try some chocolate, please, Miss Rabbit?
You can, Peppa.
Hooray!
But we've got to make it first.
Oh.
Peppa is very excited to make chocolate.
How do we make it, Miss Rabbit?
With this machine.
Hello, machine. Can you make me some chocolate, please? Thank you, machine. Yay! Now can I try some of it, please?
Not yet, Peppa. We need to decorate it first. Follow me.
Hooray!
Everyone is very excited to decorate the chocolate too.
You can decorate 1 chocolate bar each.
Ooh, it looks like a muddy puzzle.
Yes, but don't jump in it, Peppa.
And you can add whatever decorations you like from the table as long as it's yummy.
Mine is a carroty chocolate bar. Squeak!
Delicious!
Mine is a cheesy chocolate bar. Squeak!
Yum, yum.
And mine is a spaghetti chocolate bar.
Oh.
Because strawberry laces look like spaghetti.
Phew. Scrumptious.
Can I try some chocolate now, please, Miss Rabbit?
Almost, Peppa. The chocolate needs to cool in the fridge first.
The fridge is very cold and makes the liquid chocolate harden into bars.
And done.
Hooray! Can we please try buy some chocolate now, Miss Rabbit?
Not yet, Pep. Oh, wait. Yes, you can.
Delicious! Scrum-diddly-option!
Is something wrong, Peppa?
No, I just really liked it when the chocolate was all runny like a muddy puddle.
Oh, then it's lucky I have one more treat for you all. It's...
A chocolate fountain! It's just like a giant chocolate muddy puddle.
And lots of nice healthy fruit to dip too.
Thank you, Miss Rabbit.
Peppa loves muddy puddles, especially when they're made out of chocolate.